Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I thought I'd do something a little different for this video. I'd bring you guys home with me and show you a little DIY project the wife and I did. Walk you through, some of the fun we had with it, some of the things that, some of the mistakes we made and so forth, and kind of walk you guys through the process. So take a few minutes, check it out. If you guys like it, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know, and I'll make sure to do some more. All right, guys, so this is going to be our first bout with epoxy. As you can see, the wife already got it painted up. Got our handprints in there with some sand, nice beach theme. And yeah, I'm about to mix up and start pouring here in a minute, so we'll see how it turns out. As you can see, we're about halfway through our DIY tabletop epoxy. We're just redoing our tabletop, doing a couple things. I'm no expert. It's our first time dealing with epoxy, so I'll walk you through some of the stuff we've already done and what we're about to do today. So basically what we did, we took everything, just scuffed everything. We actually pulled off a couple of the panels that we had previously put on here and actually filled this all in with sand from our local beach. And got all the kiddos, handprints, some seashells, little crab, just kind of obviously doing the ocean theme. Now we tried to make some waves. As you can see, the white we had just mixed with spray paint, and yeah, tried to epoxy some waves in there, and it didn't turn out so right. So that's what we're gonna do today, is try to fix it. Another issue I had, if you can see, the lighting was terrible. Obviously, I'm not in a shop, a sterile environment, my kids around. So there's some dirt and stuff, but it's not too bad. But mostly, if you can see, I didn't have good lighting. So, obviously it didn't pour evenly. I didn't get an even coat. But that's okay. I'm gonna fix it when I go to do my flood coat. But first step, I'm gonna try to make these waves a little better. Try to fix up some waves. I learned a new trick how to do the waves. So I'm gonna try to do that and then let that dry, and we'll do the flood coat. So we're epoxying the tabletop. So we got some beach sand with all our handprints in there, all the kiddos' handprints. We try to do some little waves in the table. It's gonna be our dining room table. And yeah, so we got some waves in there, and then I'm gonna let that dry for another couple hours and do the top coat. But let me know what you guys think. So here it is, guys, the finished product. As you can see, my wife actually printed out some vinyl stickers we laminated and put down with some sea life. I actually sprayed a little bit of clear coat over top, and then before we laid our flood coat. Now, a couple issues we had, mixing enough product, so the sand actually soaked up a lot more epoxy than I thought. So we had to mix a couple batches. And obviously, like I said, the poor lighting, pouring the flood coat. And as you can see, we fixed up the waves. I think they came out really good. overall, we had a great experience with the project. We learned a lot. There's a couple things I would have done differently, you know, like the lighting and just being more mindful of where the epoxy was going. But overall, I think it came out great. We had a lot of fun with it. I think it looks great. But let me know what you guys think if you like it. And if you have any questions on working with epoxy, don't hesitate to reach out. But please like and subscribe. And thanks a lot for watching.